Welcome to drawingboxstudio, and today we are going to make Yondu. And let's start. This is one of my favorite characters. We will start from the eyes, and we are going to make him angry in an angry pose. So make a line like this, and this is his eye line. Just follow the flow. And for the inner side, I use my pointer. So I will get the neat line and I will color it in black. You can use pencil color, watercolors, whatever medium you like the most to give him more attractive look. I am just giving you the drawing tutorial. And for the second eye, a little far away from the first, make a line like this, and the same process, the same height and the width. Okay, and the eyeball. So now you can see the eyes are in angry gesture. Make the lines like this. So we will get the more angry eyes. Make a line like this, and now we are going to make the nose. For nose, make a W, like a W, C and U and opposite side C, and the nose is ready. Make the cheek lines, and now we are going to make the lips. He's giving a smirk action, smirk gesture. And this is his teeth line. Because I will set you first, he is in angry pose. Make his lower lip line and his bread line. Same line to the opposite side, and we will go towards down. It's more look like Batman logo. And now the inner side of the face is ready. Now we are going to make the outer side of the face. Make the lines a little far away from the first eye. Make a line, and same process over here, and make connect to the beard in the center of the beard. So it will more easy for you to make in sections. Okay, the face side chains are ready, and now we are going to make the head. For head, just let free the center area, because he has something on his head. So we are going to make this. Make a U, like U, and this is U, and connect to this. We will color it in red, so it will get more attractive look when you will color it. Okay, now we are going to make the ear. Ear, just make C, and for the same side make lines, so you will get the same height. Okay, and the ears are ready, and the face of Yondu is ready. Now we are going toward the body. First make a collar where the line of the bread is. Make a diagonal line, like this, and the same process over here, same size and the same thing over here. The color of the coat is ready. Now we are going to make a straight line and the same straight line over here. Okay, and this is the upper side of the collar, same over here. We will color it in dark brown. This is the belt line where the collars are ending. We will make the belt, color it in black so you will see it. And this is his neck thing he is wearing. And now we are going to end up the coat. Where the coat edge is, make a little straight line, a little curvy, and end up to a little far away from here, so you will get the shape of the coat. This is his forward pocket, and same process over here where the edges make a curved line and the coat is ready. Now we are going to make the hand. For hand, where the coat edge is a little go behind, make a line, and this line should be in curve like this, so we will get the volume. And this is his hand, make 3 fingers and 1 thumb, and his hand is ready. And now we are going to make the second arm. So make a line so you will get the same height of the arms, same where the edge is a little down from here, line and a curved line over here, and his 3 finger, 1 2 3, and he is holding his arrow. And make a arrow, straight line, straight line, and his arrow is ready. He is holding his arrow. And now we are going to make the legs. For legs, where the arrow edge is, make a line like this, and where the coat edge is, make a line, a diagonal line and a round for the pant fold, and the same process over here. And now we are going to make his feet. Make a line like this, and for the same height and width, make a line of the floor, so you will get the idea where the feet should be. And our feet are ready, and our character Yondu is ready. Thanks for watching Drawing Box Studio, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.